Odin. Odin. Okay. Oh, I got hands. Oh, you're such a good boy. Go get that ball. That outer thigh. Okay. Okay, Loki, you don't even have your ball. Oh, there you hit it. Okay. Come on. Go get it. Go get that ball. Go get that ball. All right, so outer thigh, IT band. You want to lean it on the midpoint of the roller. Back. Hold on. Hold on. All right. All right. Legs straight out. And you're rolling. Oh, thanks for the headbutt, buddy. You're rolling on your side. That's it. If you want less pressure, lean back. More pressure, lean forward. Hey, don't you dare do that to him. And again, if you find a hot spot, sit on that point with the foam roller. Rest. Wait till that point releases. It should take 60 seconds to 2 minutes. I found a spot, but I don't really have time. I have a client coming in. I want to do a couple more videos. So this is rolling the IT band. Okay. With that midpoint of your hips. Okay, now right now I'm working, I'm kind of sitting at an angle. I'm working that glute tendon that we use every day to stand up out of the chair, to walk up a flight of stairs, to push the sled, or to, climb that tree and chop it down. Sadly, we're getting paid for it. But again, you're keeping your center of gravity where that pressure is, leaning more or less. That's going to add more pressure. Now my other hand down on the ground the whole time. If you're having shoulder issues, place that arm down in this position here, and use the other hand. So you can still keep your pressure point right there. And when you get into a better, comfortable practice of foam rolling, I'll teach you foam rolling in yoga, the fray practice. That's a lot of fun. As well as trigger point therapy, massage therapy, all that self-care work. We'll even possibly get into median work as we work into educational years coming in the near future. Well, thanks so much